Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from our education with a new update. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal launches Delhi electric vehicle policy. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on August 7 launched the Delhi electric vehicle policy, under which the state government will waive road tax and a registration fee and will provide an incentive up to Rs 1.5 lakh for new cars in the capital. While addressing an online media briefing, he mentioned that the policy aims to boost the economy, reduce pollution levels, and create jobs. He added that he wishes that after 5 years, Delhi's name will be taken when there will be a discussion on electric vehicles in the world. Delhi CM termed it as a progressive policy and informed that it also aims to constitute 25% electric vehicles by 2024, which is currently just 0.29% in the city. Under the new policy, the state government will give incentives of up to Rs 30,000 for autos, two-wheelers, freight vehicles and e-rickshaws, and while for cars it will provide an incentive of up to Rs 1.5 lakh. The Delhi state government will also give a low-interest loan on electric commercial vehicles and expects 5 lakh new electric vehicles in the next 5 years. Youth will get an opportunity and will be trained so that they are employed, as the electric vehicle sector will be needing them at large scale after the implementation of the policy. The new policy by the government will also aim at reducing pollution in the national capital. As per CM Arvind Kejriwal, there has been a 25% reduction in the pollution level in Delhi in the last 5 years. While explaining the purpose and benefits of the new policy, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal informed that the Delhi electric vehicle policy has been prepared after a detailed discussion in the 5.5 years. He further exuded confidence that after 5 years, the Delhi electric vehicle model will be discussed in the whole country. The CM also highlighted the success of the Delhi development model, under which schools and hospitals were built and free water and electricity were also provided. Delhi government policy will be an addition to the centre's scheme on electric vehicles known as FAME India Phase 2, and people can avail benefit under both the schemes. For more such new updates, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video.